Hello, all you wonderful characters, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing the age-old classic tradition of banana bread muffins. So we're just starting out here with some brown sugar and a couple of ripe bananas. If you have a potato masher, that would be great in this process. It will help. Also, if you want to just stick your bananas in the microwave for a few seconds to get them a tad bit soft, that would also help in the smashing process that's going on here. But as you see, I just have a spoon, so we're going to go with that. We're going to keep smushing until the bananas come out to this nice soupy paste. Get all your bananas nice and small size, or if you want them a little larger, that's okay too. This is the consistency that I'm stopping at right here. And as you keep mixing throughout this process, the bananas are going to break up even more. So now we're going to go in with a little vanilla, a capful. I have some Greek yogurt here, just a couple of dollops. I was almost out, so I just scraped the bucket. And then my secret ingredient right here is preserves. Strawberry preserves in this case. I just think it helps with adding a little bit more sweetener so you don't have to use as much of the brown sugar. And it looks really pretty at the end results because you get these little nuggets of strawberry jam in the middle of your muffins. All right, so we're going to set that aside. We're going to add in our fat and eggs later. But to our dry, we're going to have about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, our leavening agents, baking soda and baking powder, salt, and then we're going to mix. And I'll have the ingredients listed in the description below. So like I said, we're going to go in now with our oil. I think I used about 1/8 of a cup here. Also, our egg whites, which is equivalent to 2 egg whites. I'm going to give that a quick stir. And then we're going to start incorporating our wet into our dry and get those two blended together until we have a nice consistency. Oh, I did add a bit of ginger, just a sprig of ginger. So like I said, we're going to start folding in our wet into our dry and just mix until we get to the consistency that we're looking for, which if I were to describe, I would say it's very much like a oatmeal-y consistency. Just make sure to scrape around your bowls, get all the flour incorporated. Don't want any big chunks of flour in your banana bread. That is not ideal. So we're mixing, and this is our end result here. This is the consistency that we're looking for before we start scooping the muffin pans. And we have our small muffin pan here today. Now you can line them with the muffin sheets if you like, but I decided not to do that today. I'm just going to spray them down with a little olive oil spray and scoop them in. This fortunately made right at 12. And that last little bit, because that last little bit does count. All right, and when we get everything situated, we're going to pop them into our already preheated 350-degree oven and let them go for about 11 to 14 minutes, depending on your oven or when the muffins feel to be ready. Just pop them in, set our timer, and wait. Remember to always do those dishes while you're waiting. All right, so this is what we have at the end. They spring back to life when you press them on the top. That's how you know they're ready. Just gonna dump them in our bowl here. And those look so good. I think I'm gonna have one right now. Definitely. Look how fluffy they look. Alright, so let's bite into one of these. They're super moist. Look at all the air pockets. It's just really fluffy, nice and moist, and really simple. So please give this recipe a try, and until next time, act like you cook.